As we talk about developmental psychology, we're talking about development of individuals. So at what point in development should we begin? It's arbitrary, but we could begin with the moment of fertilization between a sperm and an egg. And this cell is called a zygote. So I'm showing a picture of that moment of fertilization. You've got a sperm just getting ready to penetrate the outer covering of the egg or ova in order to blend its genetic material with that of the egg. Again, that fertilized egg is referred to as a zygote. Then what happens? In humans, this is a 9-month process, but let's see if I can do it quickly. You have cellular division resulting in identical cells, and those cells undergo cellular division resulting in identical cells until ultimately you have a little sphere, hollow sphere, composed of identical cells. Then cellular specialization occurs, and you have some cells becoming specialized to become the brain and the spinal cord, others become the internal organs, digestive organs, arms, legs. Later on in development, you have the hair and the fingernails forming, and then at 9 months you have birth. How is that for a fast gestation period? As we consider the development of an individual, we need to consider genetic inheritance. And so some of you have a background in genetics, others may not. Here's a simple question. Where are your genes? Where are they located in your body? Essentially, I can take a scraping of tissue from any part of your body and I could look at it under a microscope and I would see the cells. Inside the cells, I would see a nucleus, and inside the nucleus, I would see the genetic material. In fact, I can look at a magnified view of a cell from someone's body and I can see the chromosomes, which are essentially strands composed of the genes. Looking at this cell under the microscope, I can even count the number of chromosomes. And for most humans, for most cells of the body, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Those consist of 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. The sex chromosomes, for the most part, determine your biological sex. If you're a female human, then your sex chromosomes are shaped like 2 X's. If you're a male human, then your sex chromosomes are shaped like a little X and a little Y, with the Y chromosome literally missing one of the legs that you see in the X's, giving rise to sex-linked traits for males. I can look at any cell in the body, for the most part, and I'll see cells and I can see the magnified view of chromosomes within the nucleus of those cells, and they're identical, with one exception. In a female, the ova or egg has only 23 chromosomes, not 23 pairs of chromosomes. The male sperm only has 23 chromosomes, not 23 pairs of chromosomes. And this means that when the egg and the sperm unite and form a zygote, you now have 23 pairs of chromosomes, or a full complement of genetic material. Later on, your TAs and I will be showing you pictures of chromosomes in cells as illustrations of what can sometimes go wrong in development.